Yo, what is up, guys? I'm here at the lake going fishing for some bass with a topwater frog. See you out there. Oh, it bit my line. Not my frog. Maybe I'll bite my frog when it sees it. Yep. There he is. Got him. Oh, it's a good one. He's jumping. Come here, buddy. There we go. Let's get him up. There we go. Just above 2 pounds, 2.18. Here's a quick look at him. 2.18. Get the release. Solid fish. What a beast. There he is. Little guy. I can see him chasing it. Oh, dragging him in. Oh, well, there he goes. Fish on. Little guy. There we go. Actually, it's not a bad one. He's in the weeds. Come here, buddy. There we go. Check that out. Nice little frog fish. Jeez, he hammered it. 2.05. See you later, buddy. Look at that. First cast. Holy, let's go. First cast with the minnows. Got a bunch of weeds. Oh, there we go. Nice little bass. Leech on him. Holy. There he is. Oh. Oh, he's still on. Thought he came off. Oh, he's down in the weeds. There he is. Oh. There we go. Weed bass. Look at that. Just hammered that frog. Oh, we almost swallowed it. Check that out. What a beaut. 2.11. Not a bad fish. Look at that. Good release. There he goes. Thank you all for watching this video. make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.